I pitch black Chevy antique, I was 17. I ain't had nothing but some tees and a pair of jeans. Pine trees, but it smelled like weed in the front seat. You was en route to being famous and everything. White keys, cause she's way too major for everything. I wanna be a part of it. What you got going on isn't as sad as you make it out to be. I wanna be mad, but you take it out of me. 1995 teens in the Florida breeze. Ice cream, she was so sweet before everything. Tight squeeze, trying to fit me in your everyday, but you never came. The world is moving, we were never meant to stay, but I was working on the world. I guess I thought that if I gave you what I had, I guess I thought that it would work. I never knew. Oh, it was because of you. I never knew. Oh, I guess I never knew. I rich ass trying to fit my G's in these Prada jeans, mismatching with my Celine's, king of everything. Fifth stack coming in this week, I bought everything. Dispatching with all the G's, pull up, wreck the scene. White keys, cause she's way too major for everything.
Want this, this, or want that, I feel my heart inside my back. I mean, no point of being tagged, and you don't even keep your house in with me. You were singing those songs.